Good afternoon. This is the news update on Galaxy Television. I'm Solomon Ofem. The Independent National Electoral Commission (INEC) has launched the regulations and guidelines for the conduct of general elections in the country. INEC Chairman Professor Mahmood Yakubu announced this on Friday during a meet of the Interagency Consultative Committee on Election Security (ICCES) at the Commission's headquarters in Abuja. According to him, with the coming into force of the Electoral Act 2022, it has become necessary to review the Commission's regulations and guidelines to govern the conduct of elections. The INEC chairman said the electoral umpire has virtually concluded the planning processes for the 2023 polls 9 months ahead of the elections, with the release of the regulations and guidelines and earlier publication of the Strategic Plan SP 2022 to 2026 and Election Project Plan 2023. He revealed that the training manual will also be presented to Nigerians in the next couple of weeks, while INEC will focus on election administration going forward. Besides the general elections, the INEC chairman also spoke about their preparations for the governorship elections in Ekiti and Osun states, as well as the continuous voter registration CVR. And now to court matters, where Justice Iyan of the Federal High Court Abuja has fixed August 29 for judgment in a suit seeking to extradite a suspended Deputy Commissioner of Police DCP Abba Kyari'S to the United States of America for trial on alleged internet fraud. The judge fixed the date after taking argument from and against the suit by the parties involved. Kyari, whose arguments were presented by Senior Advocate of Nigeria, Nureni Jimo, asked the court to refuse the extradition request on the ground that he committed no offense to warrant the federal government taking him to the U.S. The suspended police chief informed the court that more than a year before his arrest, he had written the Attorney General of Federation, AGF, Abubakar Malami, and the Inspector General of Police, IGP, Usman Al-Kalibaba, notifying them that he had opened a channel of communication with the suspected internet fraudster, Ramon Abbas. In the two letters tendered in court, Kyari explained that the purpose was to give confidence to the suspected fraudster and lure him to come to Nigeria, where an ambush was already laid for a sting operation by his own strike force. And finally, President Muhammadu Buhari has departed the Spanish capital Madrid for the journey back to Abuja after a 3-day state visit. The president, who arrived on Tuesday, departed Tarija Air Base, Madrid, around 8 a.m. on Friday. While in Madrid, Buhari met with the Spanish President Pedro Sanchez, as well as the monarch, His Majesty King Felipe VI. During his meeting with President Sanchez, Nigeria and Spain signed some 9 agreements and Memorandum of Understanding (MOU), including treaty on mutual legal assistance in criminal matters, transfer of sentenced persons, extradition, economic and commercial cooperation, tourism. Others were on sport, health, the fight against COVID-19, and science and